All right, so here we have a 2006 Honda Element. We're on the passenger door. This is our window switch. It does not work, right? So we're going to be replacing it. First thing we need to do is remove our trim cover with our switch. So we want to go ahead and pry with a panel tool on the back side here to pop it up. So I just have a trim tool. Just going to work it in there. Alright. We just have to pull it back a little bit. You know, once it's popped out, it pops out this way. Alright, so we'll go ahead and remove our connector. That gives us our switch, our access to our switch. So we have two little Phillips head screws. Alright, so we'll go ahead and remove our screws. Okay, so here we have a new switch we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. Alright, so we just want to make sure they are the same switches. Okay, so everything looks good. We'll go ahead and install our new one. Okay, so we just put it into place. Go ahead and put our screws back in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and plug our connector back in. Right, to reinstall our panel, we just want to slip it into the front and just push it down. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and test it. What we had going on with this one is the window worked from the driver's switch, but did not work from the passenger switch. So that kind of points at the switch. So we'll go ahead and test it now.